Hello, I'm Amy Rose. We will learn about color-changing chemicals. Here's the newly interested ones. Universal indicator is a chemical that changes color in the presence of acids and bases from a pH of 2 to 10. Acids turn the indicator red, pink, orange, and yellow, while bases turn it green, blue, and purple. Vinegar is an acid, so when you poured the indicator solution into the second flask, it turned red. Safety first to some chemistry students: always wear protective lab safety equipment such as goggles, gloves, and aprons. For example, let's suppose chameleon. Do you know, a chameleon is an animal, or a reptile, that has highly developed ability to change color. Apparatus: you need a beaker of 500 milliliters where a warm water is poured. A magnetic stirrer which automatically mixes to see a swirl of water, like a tornado effect. It is based on electrical power. Next, we add 6 grams of sodium hydroxide and 9 grams of sucrose. It is also called table sugar. If you add more than 9 grams of sucrose, the color change will be quick. Then finally add potassium permanganate, KMnO4. Potassium permanganate is purple in color. We can now pour this in stirring hot water, then it becomes blue, and again changing, it becomes green, then all the way up to orange. Why does it happen? Do you know, permanganate, MnO4, is reduced by sucrose under alkaline environment. During the reaction, it reduces to form potassium manganate K2MnO4, which is green in color. And then reduces to manganese dioxide, MnO2, which is orange in color. This type of chemical reaction is called chameleon chemical reaction. Other methods: you may like various ingredients in water like baking soda, it transforms into blue liquid. It's a pH of base. Next, with lye, its LYE, is a metal hydroxide traditionally obtained by leaching wood ashes. When you pour, it transforms into yellow, that produces caustic basic solutions. Next, with vinegar, it transforms into red liquid. Typically it's a strong acid. And finally, with washing soda, it transforms into green liquid. Typically it is a basic solution. The only possibility is to use the red cabbage juice, apparently looks purple. You can compare via potassium permanganate whether it is used. So, you know how the effective color changing works. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.